Hi guys, it's Chef Eric Crowley here of the Culinary Classroom, and I created this video series for you, aspiring chefs, home cooks from all around the world. For the last 20 years, I've been teaching people how to cook and bake like a pro. I worked in Europe for several years, traveling and cooking, and I created this video series so you can follow along with me in the comfort of your own kitchen and learn my secrets. Some of my students use these skills to become more confident and creative in the kitchen. And some of my students just use this knowledge to cook better for family and friends at home. Whatever your goals, I can help you achieve them. Go to culinaryclassroom.com for my entire video series. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Hit that like button, subscribe for more info, and I'll see you soon.